just remove the starter out of the M6. A lot of guys will be on the internet telling you that you can just remove the starter. I would just by dropping this. That's a lie. It's like this bracket's it. The engine mounts is in the way. Also an engine mount. So a bracket that holds engine mounts in the way. And it slides into that bolt. That's a bolt. Then you can remove the starter, but then this bracket's in the way. So you can't do that. So you gotta drop the whole subframe. I now have it like somewhat drop, like see how much I have to drop. I took out the bracket. That bolt on the side right here, you can't really see it right here. It's the hardest one. Just the starter. And then yeah. But that's the only way you can take it out. And it's just for the 6 series, all 6 series. You gotta drop this subframe. Like, you gotta drop this subframe. And this is the starter. Also, cable right here. This thing. Like, you crazy? You can't even pull the starter out backwards. Okay? Until you remove this. And the only way you can get to it is if you remove the bracket, because it sits on top of it. So you gotta remove it. It stresses me out. I'll say 4 hours of my life. Yeah.